we take our content and we publish it across many different platforms, like you can see. All right, and you can do this with Claude Sonnet and Perplexity as well. So if we go to repurpose content, you can see all the content that we produce and how we produce it and that sort of thing. Now, this helps you rank really well inside Google as well. So for example, again, we type in Perplexity, new update into Google. You can see me ranking multiple times on the first page of Google right here, right? So how are we doing this? Well, we create multiple blog posts and we create YouTube videos about the same topic. And we just tackle it from different angles. So if we have a look at the latest articles that we published over here, all right. So not only do we publish on YouTube, but we use AI to help us publish across multiple platforms here. So for example, you've got the video on LinkedIn. Then you've got the actual LinkedIn article, like you can see. And by the way, this directs traffic to our funnels. So we're not just publishing content for publishing content. Like we're doing it so that we can actually rank and get traffic as well, like you can see. If we wanted to, for example, publish on Reddit, you can do something like this. All right. And we actually built up community from 0 this year to over 2,500 people. We reached 26,000 people per month, as you can see. And you can see the traffic over time here too. All right. So we're repurposing and publishing that content, targeting the keyword across multiple different platforms. And that helps us rank inside AI, inside Google, etc. Right. You see another one here's Substack, right? And we publish unique content across every platform. And then we've got Twitter as well. Now we publish on Twitter the actual post, which will index. So for example, if you're doing SEO, that should appear on Google. Yep. So you can see the video is indexed on Google right here. And then also, and that was only published 2 days ago, by the way, but it ranks and it indexes on Google pretty quickly. And then we also publish articles like you see right here, right? So for example, scroll down, I scroll to a couple of days ago, see what like got traffic and what got reach. But you can see all these different articles that we're creating. And it's pretty easy to create these. So for example, like this article right here, we're targeting Combat AI. We have the thumbnail as the banner, a nice little title, a nice little hook. Then we have the video of the actual tool, which got 2,500 views on Twitter alone, links to our funnels. And then as we scroll down, we've got a full length article that we wrote using Claude and we generated here, right? And then it's got natural CTAs. It's actually taken from the video to send traffic to our funnels. And that is super simple and easy, right? And even the article itself got 800 views, plus the video got 2,500. And you can see, again, this is promoting our services along the way, right? So we're not just creating content to rank, but we're also creating content that actually generates traffic directly from that post to our funnels to make more money, right? So you can see an example here. And CTAs are natural throughout content. So it's a really powerful and easy way to generate a lot of content, create it. It's not spammy, it's not trash or anything like that. I mean, for example, here, if we have a look at this, so if we have a look at this hook, this is not AI slot. So if we have a look at the title, GLM 4.6 is free Chinese AI beats ChatGPT and saves you $200 per year. This is not like AI slot guy. That's a pretty nice title, to be honest.